My name is Ray Polsino. I am the Northeast Branch Manager located in Altoona, Pennsylvania. We represent GDEP in the Northeast for our fracking and drilling divisions. The way that we set ourselves apart from our competition in our region is we lead with service. Our customers know when they come to us that they're getting great field service work, but also they're getting a great quality product at the same time. I'm going to talk about a small customer that we had here that we've grew with throughout the pandemic. This customer was not our biggest customer that we've had, but was someone that we've always treated the same as our big customers. And as they got busier, they remembered that we were still always there representing for them, coming out, treating them the same as anyone else whenever they called, that whenever things started to pick up and they needed us, they gave us the opportunity for repairs, new parts, and to just exclusively use our product out in the field. Whenever we perform for our customer, we show that we are a teammate with them. We want to help them perform. We want to help them win because their wins translate to our wins. So as they grow, we grow, and we have a bond that they know they can count on us for their success. I'm Ray Polsino. We are GDEP.